Oh, it looks like the hunter is done hunting. Well, we missed our perfect shot. We got the perfect picture of the fish, but now the hunter seems like it's done. All right. Well, there you have it, folks. The hunter is done fishing for the day. We got some great scenes and great film footage. Remember, this is a graphic footage. Hold up, we may have a shot here. Hold on. There we go. Perfect shot. Did you guys see all that? The perfect shot. Perfect fisherman. Look at that. Right down. Look at it. The swallowed hole. There you go. Perfect shot of the day. And there we go. Got a flyby. Flyby. Look at the flyby. Look at that. Don't get any perfect in that. Look at that. The flyby. A new fishing spot. Boom. There you go, folks. This is Jaws R. Pharafaneelya production. Thank you for watching.